Yeah, so sand is finished. We need more. Apparently, they've stolen the copper. Apparently, they've stolen it. The thing they told me, they've stolen the copper from the. So it's not this one. It's not this one. They stole it from the air condition. They've stolen it. The guy just told me now. Yeah, this one. It's the same people you hear with that. They're the ones stealing it. Only them knows that it's available. So they're going around telling their friends, yeah, this one is there. I've been waiting for the electrician to come for. This one is here. Yeah, so they've stolen one of them, the copper. And he said I'm lucky. So basically, we either need to fix it, the fittings, or we need to put the electrical inside. This guy comes down yesterday and goes back home. The electrician is just not doing the work. He comes and he goes, comes, goes. He said he's got another job, even though he's had my job for nearly a year now. So I'm gonna have to make some hard decisions on future work. He's not gonna go up there. He thinks he is, but he's not gonna. The mason here charged me too much for the thing work. Yeah, I think he's taking shape. We have some taking good shape. We've got some these blocks here, so it's taking 4,000 blocks to get to this point. He said 6,000. Looking at it here with these, we're gonna probably need about another 2,000. So no, another maybe 200 blocks. So really, I kind of knew 6,000 would be too much. I knew it already based on the size of the thing. I knew it. So it looks like around 4,000. So even if I use 4,000 as my next yardstick to do upstairs, it's going to be less because it's going to be two bedrooms there. But yeah, he charged me too much. Yeah, Bibo. Yeah, the car is broken down and I came with people. And when I come to site, I need to kind of relax a bit. So I might leave them to go. Because I don't need to be rushed. Oh, this is 2-2. Okay, we need to confirm. I know my man. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, these ones here, they're gonna get it to that level. This is gonna be, because it's a step down here. It's gonna be 13, and I need a wood to do this. So I'm just gonna cast the pillars and leave it like that. And the guy is saying that his fee doesn't include the flow. I messed up. That day I was in a rush, so I kind of agreed on it. But I should have included the flow price. So now it's gonna cost me to do that. Yeah. So what he's saying is that when it comes down, boss, Patrol, we know. Yeah, man, we're in fuel. What's the inside, man? Why? Actually, in front of inside is the Accra. We're in fuel. Why? Yeah. Yeah. That feels probably a cool 100 CDs, so actually I don't even know how much. Yeah, so I'm gonna get two stones, 2 sand, pile it up here and leave it. he wants to obviously carry on getting money for the thing, but I want to make sure that I make sure of it. I know what side in this one. Only me and what so. Answer. What cover? More flow now. Ah, back cover swing now. Okay, okay. Man's block finished. Good business. Yeah, we need a secure lock so that these coppers won't go.